Are you thinking about creating video content for your brand? Well, in this video, I'll go over a few tips and lay out some gear you can pick up to start creating quality video content today. I believe it's possible to create great video content for your brand using the tools you already have. To help get you started, I put together a list of equipment you can buy right now to step up your video production for a lot less than you might think. The three basic needs of creating quality video content are going to be stabilize your camera, upgrade your audio, and shed some light on those videos. Now let's get this video started with the one piece of equipment that everybody has right now they can use to create video content: your smartphone. It's never been easier or more convenient for you to create video content than it is right now. We all basically have a portable video production center in our pockets with our smartphones. Now the biggest factor that'll take your video content from amateur to professional is stabilization. Nobody wants to watch your videos if they're shaking all over the place or hard on their eyes. Stabilizing your smartphone will help you get that steady, professional look you're going for. One of my favorites are the smartphone tripods with flexible legs. These allow you to attach your smartphone to them and give you a lot of different filming options. You can hold it out in front of you in a vlogger style, twist it around the handrail or the back of a chair, or just set it up on your desk or tabletop for self-filming. So let's dive in and see how you can start creating better video content on your smartphone today. First up is going to be the vlogger style recording style we discussed earlier. This is where you have your smartphone attached to your flexible leg tripod and hold it out in front of you as you either walk around or stand in front of the subject matter you're discussing in your video. Where this style is popular, it isn't something you as a creative entrepreneur or small business owner may often use when creating video content for your brand. It does, however, offer you a different point of view for your videos. As always, the best course of action is to test certain styles of video content to see what your audience responds to best and stick with that style of video content. One of the best ways you can utilize this style of tripod to get started creating video content for your brand is to use it as an actual tripod. You can set it up on your desk and angle your smartphone to your liking or style of shot you're looking to record for your video content. Depending on the height of the tripod you start with, you may have to set it up on top of something like books, boxes, or anything else that'll enable you to get your smartphone to the desired height for your video. Working with the tripod in this manner will most likely be the way that most of you are going to utilize the flexible leg tripod when creating video content for your brand. It allows you to set up your smartphone, leaving your hands free to work with anything you may be showing to your audience in the video. It also allows you to keep the same look across all of your videos, something that can be very important for your brand when it comes to keeping a consistent look in your video content. This setup also allows you to keep it tucked away until you need to set it up quickly for when you're ready to start recording video content for your brand. Next up, we're going to be talking about one of the most important aspects of creating quality video content: your audio. A good video with poor audio quality is basically worthless for your brand. While you want your video to look the best it possibly can visual-wise, the quality of your audio is almost more important than the video itself. Unfortunately, the built-in microphone in most smartphones are both low quality and improperly placed. It's very common to catch wind and unnecessary background noise that'll compete with or drown out any important audio while shooting your video. This is almost impossible to edit out later. It's usually best to shoot your videos in a quiet place, preferably indoors when possible, where there's less ambient noise. To get exceptional video with quality audio, you should get an external microphone that'll work with your smartphone. This way, unwanted noise can be reduced out as much as possible. Now there are two types of microphones you can look at picking up that'll get you great quality audio for your videos without breaking the bank. First up, we're going to look at a lavalier microphone from BOYA, the BOYA by-M1. One of the biggest reasons this mic is a great piece of gear to begin with is the price point. You can find these on Amazon for around $20. Another great feature of this mic is going to be the cord length. A lot of these styles of mics don't come with enough cord length to really make them a viable option for your video needs. The cord length on this mic is around 10 to 12 feet long, which makes it great for giving you the option to be a good distance away from your phone while recording videos, or you can mic up your subject matter and not have them right on top of your smartphone. This mic is also powered directly from your smartphone, so there's no need to buy any batteries or worry about it not having power when you're in a location where power isn't available to you. The next microphone we're going to take a look at is a shotgun style microphone from Rode, the Rode VideoMicro. Now obviously this is a different style of microphone than the lavalier microphone we just discussed. However, it's also one of the best budget-friendly mics you can pick up, coming in at around $50. The VideoMicro is a compact microphone designed to greatly improve the audio quality of your videos. A directional microphone, this mic reduces distracting background sound and focuses on the audio right in front of your camera. This mic also comes with a shock mount, allowing the mic to be mounted to a phone cage that has a cold shoe mount on it. No matter what style of microphone you decide to go with, you'll see a major increase in your video's quality when you upgrade your audio equipment. In reality, even if the video itself has some flaws and turns out less than perfect, but the audio is clear, at the right volume, and free of background noise, then the video can still be an overall success and get positive results. Last, but certainly in no way least, for shooting quality video content is lighting. Finding the best lighting for your video can be a challenging task. Maybe your shot isn't bright enough, or it's too bright, or the shadows are so harsh that you can barely see what's going on in your shot. You want your audience to really absorb what you have to say, especially when it comes to video content. Knowing how to get good lighting for videos will keep your content looking sharp and professional. And you don't need all the fancy lighting equipment you'll see in a professional shoot. There are simple, effective ways to get good lighting in videos without hauling around a ton of gear. Windows are your best friend when finding the best lighting for videos indoors during the daytime, and they should ideally be in the shadows to give you a soft, diffused light. Make sure the window is generally in front of you when filming. This will give you the balanced lighting you're looking for in your videos. If you're filming a video near a window flooded by sunlight, the harsh lighting will create dark shadows on your face. You'll also likely find yourself squinting at the camera. That can be very distracting to your viewers. One of the best lighting solutions I found for shooting video content on your smartphone is a clip-on ring light. This is a great piece of video lighting equipment you can use for a variety of different filming situations. It'll give you the perfect lighting that really accents your face in a balanced way. You can choose from 3 lighting settings as well as a dial adjustment to achieve the perfect lighting you're looking for. Using up to as many as 38 LED lights, this clip-on light ring is ideal for low lighting or nighttime filming. This light is easy to use. Just clip it on your phone, tablet, or laptop. There's also no extra batteries to buy. Just use the included USB dongle to charge your light.